my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. So today I'm gonna talk about this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This one is a new version. Like the older version has the silver cap and this one is with white cap, as you can see. So it's been about 15 to 20 days since I'm using this product, so I thought let's share my review on this one. In case if you're interested, then please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit on that red subscribe button down below and hit on the notification bell as well, so you never miss any of my videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then come and follow me there to stay updated for upcoming videos. And now without wasting a minute, let's get started. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This product retails for 950 rupees for 50 ml of product, and I have got this one from Amazon on 25% off. And if you have seen my Black Friday sale, you know उसमें मैंने आपको दिखाया था. And Neutrogena is manufactured by Johnson & Johnson. So Neutrogena is also a sister brand of Johnson & Johnson. Now if I talk about the ingredients of this one, now on the Nykaa website they say that it contains more, like 50 times more hyaluronic acid than the previous one, and this do contain probiotics and trehalose as well. And as I can see in the ingredient, there is water which is a base, and उसके बाद the first ingredient is dimethicone, like silicone, and there are I think 4 or 5 ingredients of dimethicones. So you can see, like, that's why the texture feels very smooth and soft and बहुत अच्छा feel, you know, application बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. Then third ingredient is glycerin. Okay, ना उसके बाद as I said कि बहुत सारे और इसमें dimethicone है. Then phenoxyethanol is there. Then there is olive oil का derivative is there, and then it has trehalose. Now trehalose is kind of you can say it acts as a moisturizing ingredient, and then it has yeast extract. Now yeast extract is going to soothe out the skin. Like if you have redness, if you have problematic skin, that gonna help in reducing that redness and all, that gonna soothe out your skin basically. But if you have fungal acne issue, that may worsen the acne. And then it has sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid, and then some sodium hydroxide, pH adjust strictly use हो रहा है, and then it has fragrance as well. Now I don't know when people say like don't use Pond's gel, like I have no issue with that gel. Of course that has parabens, a lot of parabens. This doesn't contain any parabens. One thing I know, few of you gonna ask me like, does this contain parabens? No, this doesn't contain parabens. There are preservatives, but there are some other preservatives used in this one. Okay, but fragrance की बात करूँ, this do have a lot of perfume and fragrance. Like काफ़ी strong एक fragrance इससे मुझे feel होता है. Or that maybe because you know, you guys know I was using Sugandha, then Cosrx products, like all were fragrance free. तो fragrance free से एकदम से fragrance पे जाना तो थोड़ा सा मुझे strong लग रहा है. But texture की बात करूँ इसके, तो as compared to the previous one, इसका texture मुझे थोड़ा सा light लगा. लाइक उसका थोड़ा सा क्वांटिटी बहुत अच्छे से पूरे पे स्प्रेड हो जाता था, एंड इसके केस में थोड़ी क्वांटिटी मुझे ज़्यादा लगती है. नॉट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन ना, सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो इससे अच्छा पॉन्ड्स यूज़ कर लो. लाइक उसके अंदर नायासिनामाइड भी तो है. लाइक द कंसिस्टेंसीज फील्स प्रिटी सिमिलर, बट आई डोंट नो, मैंने इनको साइड बाई साइड यूज़ नहीं किया है. बट इफ़ यू वांटेड टू सी कंपैरिजन बिटवीन दिस न्यू Neutrogena and the Pond's Superlight Gel, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would happy to do that. And इसके previous version के साथ मैं compare इसलिए नहीं कर पाऊँगी because I don't have the outer box of that, तो I can see the ingredients कि उसमें क्या थे. But one thing I can feel, one thing which I have felt, जो मुझे feel हुई है वो ये कि इसका जो क्वांटिटी है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू जो पहले वाला इनका वर्जन था. आई डोंट नो, ये बेटर वर्जन के नाम पे क्वालिटी पता नहीं क्यों गिरा देते हैं. and I was using this one since last 15 days, as I told you, and this has been working fine on my skin. Like I can see a difference in my skin because I was looking for a oil-free moisturizer. So for that this works wonderfully. Of course it has silicones and a lot of humectants, but there is yeast extract, so I'm not sure about that, like whether it's gonna be good for fungal acne prone skin or not. I have acne, I think I have whiteheads which are converting into acne. So I have a Cosrx whitehead removal essence और toner क्या बोलते हो उसको, power liquid है वो है मेरे पास. So अभी I'm just taking time. I'm using a 10% niacinamide serum from a brand, so I'm testing out that product. So once I'm gonna done with that, then I'm gonna try the whitehead power liquid from Cosrx, and then I'm gonna let you know कि वो whiteheads पे काम करता है या नहीं. And so for this video, if you can invest in this one like 900 or 800 something for this, you can. And but if you have no issue with the parabens or the fragrance added, then you can of course go for the Pond Super Light Gel as well. They both feel same to me, to be very honest. That is it. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful लगी, अच्छी लगी, like कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. मिलती हूँ आपको अपनी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अपना ध्यान रखना. बाय बाय.